Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting a new playlist, which is going to be our JavaScript playlist. So before we get started, we need to install some packages. So the first thing we need to do is install the nodejs package. And to do so, we're going to open our browser and we're going to search for download nodejs. Then we are going to press on the first link, and here we're going to be met by the download page. If you're using Windows, you're going to pick the Windows installer. If you're using Mac, you're going to pick the Mac installer. And once the installation finishes, all you have to do is follow the steps inside the installer and install Node.js. Just in case you're having problems with adding Node.js to the path variable so that it works in Visual Studio Code. So in general, it works everywhere. What you need to do is search for edit environment variables. Then in here, you're going to go to path and you're going to click on it. And here you're just going to press new and add the path to which Node.js was installed. In my case, it was installed in program files, then in Node.js. So once you add that, it's going to work everywhere in your computer. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. And we're going to be creating a new folder. So we're going to say open folder. And in here, we're going to create a new folder called JavaScript tutorial. And we're going to select that folder. And in here, the first step we're going to do is we're going to create our file. So we're going to click on the plus icon, which gives us an option. We're just going to name it hello.js. So the extension for JavaScript is going to be .js, as it was .py for Python. Once we've done that, we're going to press on enter and it's going to open our file. If it's the first time you're creating a JavaScript file, then it's going to tell you to install some extensions, which you should install. Then once you've done that, one more check you need to do is that you installed Node.js properly and that you added Node.js to the path properly. So we're going to create a new terminal. And in here, we're going to put in node followed by 2 hyphens, then version. As you can see, I have version 18.16. As long as you don't get an error when you run node ---- version, that means you've correctly installed Node.js and you've also correctly added it to the path variable. Once we've done that, now we're going to write our first JavaScript program, which is going to be hello world displayed to the terminal. And in order to display a message to the terminal, we're going to be using the statement console.log. Console.log is equivalent to print in Python. So we're going to put in console.log and in parentheses, we're going to put in what we want to print out. In this case, we want to print out hello, world. And finally, we're going to end our line with a semicolon and we're going to save our file. Now, in order to run our hello.js file, we're going to go to the terminal and we're going to put in, first we're going to put in node space, then we're going to put in the name of our file, which is hello.js. Then we're going to press enter. And as you can see, hello world has been printed out to the terminal. So this is how you get started with JavaScript in VS Code. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily programming videos.